Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix file format not supported on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and you're having the issue that the file you're sending is not supported from WhatsApp, so let's see how can you fix. But first of all, let me explain that why it's happened. WhatsApp only support the photos, videos, and documents. If you are trying to send anything else, so you cannot send, or if you want to send it, so let's see how can you do that. The very first you have to try to update your application. So open App Store and you have to simply search for WhatsApp, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update here. If you have any pending update, try to update your WhatsApp. Then open your WhatsApp app and here select the chat, and here you'll get an option of plus, or in Android you'll get document option type here. So you must have to select that, then select document, and then select choose from files or choose from gallery. If you are trying to send any file, so you just have to select choose from files, but I'm going to select choose from photos and videos, and from here you just have to select anything which you want to send, then tap on next, and after that it will send into a notification form and it will successfully send. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're having the issue that file format not supported on the WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.